Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody commented off of YouTube, off my video on the leather coaster placement and marking the MDF. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch it. But he asked me, wouldn't it be better if you did them in a honeycomb pattern, kind of like this, instead of like the way I had them? And I had a lot more space. My main goal with doing the placement wasn't trying to get as many discs as I could in the laser, because you're going to spend a lot of time, making sure, I was doing 20 at a time, and here's, 21, and I wasn't using my entire bed because I didn't want to lean over. And if you watch that video, you'll understand when you're doing it that way. But he is correct. You can get more disc on that laser bed. My way I had it laid out, and I actually have them further apart than this. He got, with his honeycomb, you could get 42, and with mine layout like this, you're only going to get 35. So, that's going to put 7 more discs in your laser, but you're going to spend a lot of time that way laying them out, and rightfully this would be faster, but it is not going to engrave any faster. If you just had 35 of these and 35 of these are going to engrave equally as fast than these 35. I don't care how they're stacked in there, because the laser is going back and forth and back and forth. And well, let's go over to his here, and let's just take a round ball, and let's see if we can't just move it back and forth like the laser head would be going. Let's tell you what, let's color it in red. And so when your laser is lasering, it's going back and forth. It's going to have to go all the way through this line. So it's not going to start touching those really unless you've got something on the outside edge. But if you just had some text written in the general center of it, this 35 isn't going to run faster than this 35. And matter of fact, this is a lot easier to lay out. He took some time to, offset these, and that's easily done. But he's right. You could get more on the bed, but it's not going to make the machine run any faster. It's not going to save you any time there. And sometimes, maybe the more you have on there isn't particularly better. Now, if you're running 500 of them or something, you might get 7 more per run, but that 7 more is going to take you more time to run. And I wouldn't like them this close together. Well, if this was a layout, and then these are actually 3-inch coasters, and I just made up some laser bed size that's 23.5 by 16, just because this is what he sent me over here. Anyway, I hope that helps him a little bit, and thank you for watching.